Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching me. Sorry for late video, I just come back from California. I love Los Angeles, Palm Springs. Los Angeles is one of the most favorite city. Palm Springs, it's so perfect, the weather amazing, but so many restaurants open, club, people without mask. Really, I don't know what happened in the world, but not about this. Today I want to show you two boxes. I have today BOXYCHARM, of course. I have one Luxe, it's my first Luxe, and one Premium, guys. And let's open first box. It's Premium. First product I'm going to show you, it's avocado mask, brand Glow recipe. I love this mask. I have one, and I will show you packages. I like very creamy, like very buttery, thick texture. And this mask cost $49. I paid for this box $35. It's very nice. And next one product I'm going to show you, it's contour palette from Too Faced. Really, I'm so excited. I don't have this palette and looks so beautiful. Really very heavy, like Tom Ford. No, it's plastic. I think it's first like metal, but no, it's plastic. Packages looks like this. Such a beautiful, really beautiful and expensive packages. I like. 3 contouring color and 3 highlighting color. I will switch for the first highlighters. It's very silky. I like. You can see this light, medium and deep. I will try now 3 contouring. This one, it's really very powdery, silky texture, and deepest one here. Like this looks 3 contouring. This one light one, almost don't show in my skin. Medium, I love medium, very nice. And deep one, very nice too. Overall not bad, and price $44. Next one product I'm going to show you, it's Kat Von D lipstick. It's cute packages. What about this lipstick? It's very silky, smooth, formal, comfortable, long wearing, super creamy, unbelievable pigmented lipstick to ever cross your lips. We'll see, I don't know, but it's color really not mine. You can see this color. Very creamy texture, really, and color. A little bit dark, but if you apply one swipe, I think it can be beautiful. Okay, next one product I'm going to show, it's from Kat Von D, but so because I have already one. It's eyeliner, looks like this. An eyeliner costs $20. It's not bad eyeliner, but not my favorite. And next one product I'm going to show you, it's $1 billion brush. Yes, Sculpting Duo brush. Looks like this. Really very soft brush, not smell. Remind me a little bit my favorite brush. You can see together 2 brushes. Of course it's different, but dual end brush. This brush have charcoal bristles, from charcoal or deep to charcoal, you know, or make from charcoal, something, I don't know about this, but it's antibacterial bristles. But very soft. I like. You can apply like concealer, very nice. You can apply foundation, contouring, blush, everything you want. Very soft brush, and I like. I will work with this brush 1000%. And next one product I'm going to show you, it's last one product from this box. It's Skin and Go Roma Sardinia Spirit. Sardinia Spirit. It's shower gel, limited edition, made in Italy. Looks like this. I will smell how. So like citrus, honey, a ginger, very strong ginger. So good. And how much this product cost? This product cost, I forgot to tell you about brush. Brush cost $30, and this one cost $22. Really not bad. And for this box I paid $35. Okay, and we have $39 plus it's Glow recipe mask, contour palette 44 plus Kat Von D lipstick 20 plus Kat Von D eyeliner plus 22, $1 billion brush 30, and plus Skin and Go shower gel 22 and $185. You can see $185. Very nice box, and I love. My first BOXYCHARM Luxe box, and first product from this Luxe box I'm going to show you, it's KYLIESKIN by Kylie Jenner. Really, I'm so excited to try this product because I don't try any product from Kylie Skin Cosmetics. Package is very cute, I like. It's foam face wash. Interesting. Smells so good, so fresh. I like. And this foaming face wash costs $24 and really smells so good. And I will try it. And here 149 milliliters, very big size. Okay, next one product I'm going to show you, it's Touch in Sol No Pore Blem. It's like no problem, but it's no pore. I like. A little bit shake. It's very watery texture. Hope you will see. It's really very watery. This primer essence with the calendula extract. My hand very moist. Almost no smell. Really, I like. And this product better apply under your primer. Okay guys, and next one product I'm going to show you, Tula Skincare Cooling and Brightening Balm. And very cute packages, very nice, oops, fly packages. It's covered, I think, on the top like this. Yeah, I will show you. Here a lot of product, 10 gram. Remind me really Tatcha. If you know this Tatcha like balm on stick, we'll see. I will apply under my eyes and oh, it feels really like very cooling. I like so much. You can apply on the top of your makeup, you can apply under makeup, it's up to you. I feel it's really cooling, I like, and really when you apply, you feels like very cooling effect, and you can see it have like little bit sheen. It's not just clear balm, and I'm happy with this product too. And price this product $28. Very nice. And next one product I'm going to show you, it's Tartiste Pro. It's eyeshadow palette. Oops, you can see it's a little bit damage come to me. Palette looks like this. It's $49 price. I will show you swatch. I like show you like this one, darkest one. Oh my god, so pigmented. Like this one, of course, let's try black. Here like 16 matte shades and 4 shimmer. I will show you. Very nice pigment. This color is such a beautiful. And black beautiful. You can see. Very pigmented, very nice. I love. Let's try shimmers, why not? And we'll try this one. When we try shimmers, I will try. Oh my gosh, you can see this shimmer so beautiful and so pigmented. Really, I know this palette first released like 3 years ago, but I'm happy I'll try it just now, and I will use this because pigment, beautiful matte shades, gorgeous, and really shimmer, so nice. And next one product, it's Smile Science. It's pen whitening. Here 2 pen. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, it's 2 pen. I don't know this product good or no. It's mint flavor. And this pen cost, oh my gosh, $80. In premium box I have 1 brush. I here 5 brushes set, and I will start with biggest one. Looks like this, you can see. The same charcoal bristle, synthetic, but very soft. I like. And next one brush, it's contour brush. Looks like this. Next one brush, it's eye brush. You can see it's classic brush for like you can pat your eyeshadow, you can little bit blend. It's not bad, it's very soft too. And another one, it's blending brush. You can see it's blending brush. And next one brush, it's concealer brush, I think so, yes. And concealer brush. And what about this brush? It's priced $55. It's vegan brush, gluten-free, and synthetic brush. And almost last one product, it's Melania and Goat's Recovery Treatment Oil. I already used this product a couple of times and I fell in love, and I will use this product often. It's a very nice product. It's treatment oil, but it's not heavy. It's very, very lightweight oil. You can see I will apply like this. And smell, moist your skin. You can see. I love the smell. It's like lavender smell. Oh, so good. It's my favorite oil for now, really. I used already a couple days and I like so much, and very fast absorb. And this oil cost $82. Now understand why I like this oil so much. And next one product I'm going to show you, it's last one product. It's Bodyography Professional Cosmetics 2 Lip Pencil. Here 2 color. You can see 2 classic pencil and 1 color Rosewood. It's darker. I will show you swatch here. Oh, very, very creamy. I like Rosewood. Beautiful, like burgundy color. I like. And next one color, you can see this like rosy nude color Ponty, and price $28. This brand from San Diego, California, and really not bad. Okay guys, and first KYLIE Cosmetics 24 plus Touch and Soul 23 plus Tula 28, Tarte 49, Fortis, sorry, $80. $1 billion brushes, $55. And Male and Goats, I know, sorry if it's not correct, $82. And Bodyography, $28. And $369. Oh my gosh, this box cost $369. Really a lot of money, but really I'm happy. No, I'm so happy with BOXYCHARM and highly recommend for you. Okay guys, thank you for watching me, and please subscribe to my channel if you still not subscribe. If of course you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and see you next video. I hope very soon. Have a good day. Bye.